This is Masood Hashmi. Today I'm going to show you how to make cup of tea Indian or Pakistani style. So first of all, you see our water is boiling and this is the tea bag. This is called danedar. You can use Lipton, whatever. So you can put in this cup like this and we wait for this water boils. So when the water boils, just pick it up, pour the hot water into the cup. So after you do that, I'm just going to put the lid on it so it can brew in it. And then I'll show you how we make a tea, Pakistani cup of tea. So it's about a minute or so. So this is the tea bag. So what I do is, I just squeeze that tea bag in it like this. And then if you throw this tea bag like this, then the most important thing is this milk which we're going to put on. This is, it's a 2%, you can use whole milk. So you put this milk in the tea, like that. Then you stir it. You stir it. But look at the color. See? Now, I didn't put any sugar in, but you can put sugar in if you want. And then you take like this. Maza aa gaya. So very good. Isko kehte hain chuski. Now, here are these vegetable tarts, which I made it in the oven. And then what you do is, this is ketchup, this is vegetable tart. And you touch this, you touch with this hot sauce, and then you touch with this. And then you eat. Thank you so much. I want you to come and have a cup of tea with me. That will be so nice. We'll eat this vegetable tarts and have a cup of tea. Thank you so much for watching my video. Subscribe my channel if you like it.